Hello everyone, thousands of miles from home, but the spirit of Bangladesh is alive right here in Malabo. We are celebrating Eid with a giant mutton feast and the best company I could ask for. Come along and see how we keep our traditions alive in West Africa. Our menu for the day is a classic tender mutton curry and ruti. We started early, preparing the meat with everyone lending a hand. There is something special about working together that makes you forget how far you are from home. As soon as the preparation began, everyone took their positions. Some were expert at carving the leg, others focused on the race, and I was right there in middle of it all, acting as a happy assistant. This collective effort is what the spirit of it is actually about. Every great meat dish starts with the essentials: ginger, garlic, and plenty of onions. While the meat was being prepped, we got busy with the chopping. We are using authentic Bangladeshi spices today, the secret to that nostalgic flavor that makes our hearts happy. Now for the magic, the stove. We decided to go old mode with wood fire setup. Even though gathering dry wood and managing the smoke is a challenge, the smoky aroma and unique taste of wood fired cooking are absolutely worth the effort. After about 2 hours of slow cooking, the mutton curry was finally ready. The anticipation was at an all-time high. We spread out the mats on the floor, sitting together in our traditional style, waiting for the first delicious bite. We started plating the rich mutton curry and hot rotis, passing them hand to hand. Now, the moment of truth. Soft rotis dip into the rich, spicy mutton gravy. It's pure perfection. Every single bite feels like a trip back to Bangladesh. We are thousands of miles away, but right here, it feels like home. We finished off this massive meal with some chilled soft drink to cool down. Thank you for being part of our celebration today.